Hi everyone. In today's session we are going to discuss about determination of order of a reaction. For determination of order of a reaction, there are three types to determine the order of a reaction. First one is graphic method, second substitution method, third half-life method. Okay, first see the graphic method. First one is graphic method. In this method, it is a pictorial method. It is more reliable. This graphic method is a pictorial method. It is more reliable because deviations from the line of best fit. Deviations from the line of best fit. For this, we have to conduct an experiment and we have to collect the data on time course of change in concentration of reactants. First, we have to perform the experiment and from that we have to collect the data and from that data on time course of change in concentration of reactants. Okay, first we have to perform the experiment. From that we have to collect the data on time course of change in concentration of reactants. First zero order. We have to perform the experiment. From the data we have to plot a graph between time versus percentage unreacted, and this is the line of best fit. This is the pictorial representation for zero order reaction. And next we have to perform an experiment, collect the data. From the data we have to plot a graph between time versus percentage unreacted on log scale, and this is the line of best fit. And next for this we have to perform the experiment, collect the data, plot in a graph, and the second order graph is like that. We have to plot a graph between time versus x divided by a minus x, and this is a pictorial representation. It is a line of best fit. From that we have to determine the order of reaction. This is about the graphic method. And next method is substitution method. In this substitution method, we have to perform the kinetic experiment, and from that we have to collect the data on time course changes in the concentration of reactants, and we have to substitute this data in the integral equation. Substitute the data in the integral equation of zero order, first order and second order. We have to substitute the integral equations. For zero order is k0 is equal to a0 minus at divided by t, and for first order k1 is equals to 2.303 divided by t log c0 by ct. Second order k2 is equals to 1 by at x divided by a minus x. By substituting in this integral data, we have to determine the order of a reaction, whether it is a first, second or third order can be determined by using this substitution method. And next one is half-life method. Third one. In this we have to calculate the average k values. We have to calculate the average k values using the data for zero order, first order and second order by using substitution method or else graphical method. We have to find out the k values. K values by the either graphical method or substitution method, we have to find out the k values, average k values. And for this, and then we have to estimate the t-halves for the time period of the kinetic study. We have to find out the average k values from the previous methods, either graphical or substitution method, and we have to substitute this method in the k values in the half-life equations for zero order, first order and second order. Zero order half-life t-half is equal to a by 2 k0, and first order half-life t-half is equals to 0.693 divided by k1, and second one is t-half is equal to 1 by a k2. From this half-life equation for zero order, the t-half is directly proportional to initial concentration, and for first order, this t-half is independent of initial concentration, independent of initial concentration for first order, and for second order the T half is inversely proportional to initial concentration. By this half-life we have to half-life method we have to find out whether it is a 0 first order or second order. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.